YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here today and taking your time to watch one of my videos. We're going to do a review on a cordless mini grinder. I did this review on Amazon Vine, so it's the 9/16 format, but I thought it had some good information for anyone else that is curious about these little mini grinders that you see advertised all over, whether they're any good or not. So let's get started and let's take a look at it. Today I want to do a review on a product that I got from Amazon. It is a Mulort, M-U-L-O-R-T, cordless grinder. It has 16 8-volt battery, 2000 mAh, and the RPM on it is 17,000. Let's open up the case. First of all, the case says Aridoo, so I don't know if this is an Aridoo or a Mulort. I guess we'll just have to wait and see when we open it. Very nice case. It's got unusual hinges, clamps I mean. They're on the sides instead of on the front. It's kind of unusual. Let's open it up and see what we have. You got the owner's manual. This is Aridoo too, so Mulort might be just the vendor that supplies it. And it all says Aridoo on the grinder itself. Looks like you have two batteries, 16.8 volt lithium. It's nice that they included two batteries. See some flat discs for paint removal and rust removal. It's got several other miscellaneous discs. This one is high efficiency, and I can't read the print on it. Take it out of the package. I'm assuming that's probably like for tile or something. That's what it looks like. Doesn't really say, it just says high efficiency. Maybe the directions will tell us. And then these must be for wood or metal. Again, it does not label it on the blades what they're for. It would have been nice if they would have labeled them. And then you have the charger, which is extremely light. I mean, it's like holding a feather. There's no weight at all to it. A little bitty short cord that I already don't like, but is what it is. And then you have the grinder itself, and you have several cutoff wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cutoff wheels. So you got 12 cutoff wheels, and I'm assuming since these have the teeth, they may be like for wood. And these must be a masonite type blade for cutting tile and things like that. Let's pull the grinder out. Very nice. It feels good in the hand. It's a little smaller than I imagined it would be. It has a button to lock the arbor to put the blades on. It also came with a hex key to loosen the arbor nut or bolt. I guess that, I don't know if that's right thread or left thread. It does not want to come out. They got that in there tight. There it goes. I was afraid I'd break it. They had that thing torqued in there. Okay, let's just put a cutoff wheel on it for now. These cutoff wheels, it says 80 millimeter, so I'm assuming, I would say it's about maybe 3 inches. Yeah, about a 3-inch blade maybe. Whatever 80 millimeter is. It just sits down on there. Tighten the arbor bolt. Easy enough. Let's take a battery in it and see if we have any juice. Put it that way. Wait, right here. It's got a cutout right here, and that cutout goes in here a little bit. Just like that. Turn it on. It's quiet. It shows that I have 97% of battery. It has a readout showing you how much battery you have left. Very nice. But the real test is let's go try and cut a piece of metal with it. Okay, before we cut this piece of metal, I want to talk a little bit more about this discoveries that I made. The switch is either momentary, or you can pull it up and push it in and it locks it. On the guard, it does rotate like that, so I can cut on this side if I want now. But if I want to cut on that side and rotate this guard this way, I can't cut on this side because that's the arbor lock right there. So if I'm cutting down like this, I could if I didn't have to go in too far. If I stayed out here like that, then that arbor lock button will not get in the way. Because if you try to try to cut with this on here like that, you're going to cut that arbor lock and it's going to lock it and probably break the crap out of it. So I would suggest if you use it, keep it on this side. I can still cut on this side and the arbor lock's up on top, but I can only cut as far as that right there. So I think is what we're going to do is try it just like this and see how far deep it goes. Okay, that's as deep as it goes, which is, looks to be about 3/8 of an inch. What I'm talking about is with a fully brand new cutting wheel on it, the space between this housing and the edge of this is 3/8. So you're only going to be able to cut something that's 3/8 inch or narrower. It will not cut through this. This is a, say, 3/4, yes, a 3/4 inch pipe, and it won't cut through at all. It cut about 3/8 inch to maybe 1/2 inch. It did die down a little bit. I had the battery fully charged. It charged overnight. But doesn't seem to have that much power. I was hoping it would have a little more torque. If you push down on it a little bit, it really dogs it down. So, you know what? I think I'm going to give it a 4. I don't like where this locking mechanism is, because you can't use it like that. You have to have this locking mechanism on top. And the blade guard is kind of wanky. I like the readout in the back, so you know how charged your battery is. That's very nice. The blade guard, I guess it's okay. I mean, it works. We're going to give it 4 stars. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and hit the notification bell for when I upload new videos. And good luck on your projects. We'll see you next time.